There are several ways to clean up your recipient lists. Here are some ideas to help you get going. Use an automation workflow. An automation campaign allows you to filter out recipients who did not open an email by using the heart-building block. In this example, you filter out those who have not read 2 of your newsletters. At the end, you can set a tag to mark these email addresses. As an alternative, use the Delete Recipients module to remove those who did not open the email. Go to the Privacy menu. You can specify here that email addresses should be deleted after a certain period of time if the sign-up process is not completed. You can add unsubscribed addresses to the block list or delete them. Use a segment filter. Create a segment with people who have a 0-star rating. This filtering shows that these people have never opened your newsletters or clicked on any links. An automation campaign lets you delete email addresses that follow this structure. In the first module, you specify when you want to delete the contacts. In the second module, you select the segment, and the third module deletes the email addresses. Finally, we would like to point out our Preference Center feature, which allows your contacts to update their own data. You can learn more about this in our video on the Preference Center. If you need more information about managing recipients, our Help Center has you covered.